How to fix robotic voice issue on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix robotic voice on Discord. First thing, just head over to your Discord application or Discord from your browser and simply click on settings, user settings. So once you're inside your user settings, first thing what you want to do is come over to your settings and simply scroll down until you see the voice option, voice and video option. Just tap on this and scroll all the way down until you see the option called quality of service option. So as you can see, I'm currently using browser version, so it's not available for me. But if you see quality of service option over here, you can simply just have to disable it. So once you disable it, another thing what you can also do is you can also try changing a region from your Discord. Or the last thing what you can also do is just come over to your search bar and simply search in for task manager and just open it and just find out the Discord application which are being run as in background. Just make sure if you found that the Discord application is being run in the background, you simply click on that particular application and simply right click and end the task for every single Discord application running in your background. Once you do that, just restart your Discord and it will solve the issue just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.